Ricky's Forest. In today's video, I'm going to be pretty much fixing up this succulent arrangement. It is a very overgrown succulent arrangement. It consists of two different types of succulents, a firestorm sedum and Crassula ovata. Today I'll be showing you guys how to fix leggy or stretched out succulents. And the first thing I want to say is that this happens because of too little sun. Succulents will stretch out to try to find sun, and wherever the sun is, they'll stretch out that way. So you can see at different parts of the day, these different branches of the succulent stretched out to different ways where the sun was. So what I'm going to be doing today is pruning the succulent arrangement back and showing you how to do this with your own succulents. This doesn't necessarily always have to be with the succulent arrangement, just with any succulents you have, even if it's one type of succulent. This works with a lot of types. So the first thing we're going to do is actually take the succulent out of the pot, and just like that, the succulent arrangement is out of the pot. And as you can see, these succulents developed an excellent root system. So the first thing you'll want to do is get your arrangement. Now I'm going to try my best to maybe separate. No, it doesn't look like they want to be separated. So what I'll do is the parts that I want to keep, I don't want to keep this whole entire arrangement. I'm not going to prune it back like that and then wait for more to grow out. I'm actually going to take cuttings from the succulents. Now the first thing you want to do when taking a cutting is locate the rosette. The rosette on a succulent is usually on echeverias as well as sedums. This is a sedum. This is an echeveria. Here's the difference. Now, with sedums, you'll want to locate the rosette, and if they're leggy, a lot of times the leaves will be spaced out quite far. You'll want to go 2 or 3 leaves down. So I'll count, let's start with this one, 1, 2, 3, and I'll cut it just above this leaf right here. Okay, so now that I've cut it, I can take all of these bottom leaves off, starting with the bottom one, and then working my way up. If you take them off correctly, all of these leaves can actually be saved and propagated and turned into new baby succulents. Okay, so now I've removed all the rosettes from my firestorm sedum. As you can see, all of the stems are beheaded, and all of the rosettes I've gathered up over here. Now I'm going to be using these rosettes, and this plant I'm going to pot up, and it's actually going to push new growth from in between the leaf and the stem. And when I do this, I'm not going to be watering this arrangement for about 2 weeks to allow the cuttings to kind of dry out. The bottoms of the cuttings are very moist, so if you get any water on them, they can easily rot, and then that rotting could spread to the rest of the plant. Okay, and just like that, I have finished the arrangement. It is looking super nice. I'm super happy with the way that it turned out. After a month or two, this succulent here, this pencil cactus, will start getting used to the soil conditions and start to hang over, and all the other plants will kind of just hang out. As you can see, it looks really good, kind of all squished like this. These sedums will eventually start to grow upward. The reason I kind of left the soil level a bit low is because I knew that these sedum would start to grow up a bit to find sun, which would give them some height, which I would like very much. And then at that time, they won't be like down here like that, so they'll have plenty of light once they kind of pass the top of this pot. So other than that, that is the arrangement, how it turned out. Now I know the point of this video wasn't to show you how to make a succulent arrangement, just some little tips and tricks of how to prune your succulents if they ever become leggy and stretched out, and also how to use them in an arrangement. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to hit the like button, also subscribe and hit the notification bell, and share with any friends who you think would also enjoy this video and this kind of content. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.